Day after huge protest took place outside the house of Telugu actor Allu Arjun, where a group of people claiming to be students of Osmania University barged into his house and threw tomatoes as well as broke flower pots. The 6 accused have been granted bail today. A political fight has also now broken out, with BRS leader Krishank Mane claiming that one of the 6 accused who got bail in the case was a close aide of Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and Kodangal Congress candidate in 2019 Zilla Parishad polls. Well, the BRS also produced this photo of the accused with Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. The Congress claims BRS is behind the protest, while BRS has hit back, saying that the Chief Minister is responsible for law and order in the state, and they've also produced a photo with KTR. Now, what we are also learning is that the actor's children were immediately relocated today to ensure their safety after this incident had taken place yesterday. Well, all right, we have reactions coming in. Listen in.
Today in Telangana, Congress party is at its best in terms of trying to divert the attention of the people from the real issues and taking up frivolous issues like lodging cases against film stars, etc. My simple request to the people of this nation is Congress has failed miserably in fulfilling their 6 guarantees. They failed utterly in fulfilling any of the promises that they've made. There are more than 420 promises that they've made. BRS has exposed them in the just concluded assembly session. So to cover up their failures, Congress is bringing up every new issues now and then and trying to divert the attention of our people. And people now understand that very clearly, and people have begun to question this government, and they will continue to do so.
But Bharatiya Janata Party Telangana condemns this kind of attack on the people, whether a celebrity or a non-celebrity on that. We are very clear. No one should attack the house, because there will be elder people, there will be children, there will be ladies on that. That then, the previous government have made so many arrangements and then made so many infrastructure development in Telangana, especially in Hyderabad, where the whole unit from Tollywood, from the Chennai, has been shifted here. This kind of attitude by the Revanth Reddy government and the Telangana police is not acceptable.
When a mother died and a son is struggling for life, and most of the cinema actors are going to his house after he was arrested and was sent to the jail and he got bail from the court. Cinema actors are going to his house and they are hugging him and they are smiling and all. But that was not a good scene what we saw in the news and all. So definitely whoever has done wrong has to be sent to jail, or action has to be taken with. So obviously the law is taking its own space. So definitely the court will decide what will happen.
The home of Allu Arjun at Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad is certainly barricaded. Yes, after the attack at the residence of Allu Arjun, his 2 children were moved from there, and Allu Arjun had said that they are being moved to the house of a relative so that they can stay safe and away from all the chaos that's happening right now. But yes, charges being traded about who this accused belonged to, which party this accused belonged to, and of course photographs are being shared of him with Congress Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, as well as some other photographs of him with KTR. The fact is that this individual who is being spoken about, Reddy Srinivas, was with the Congress, and in 2019 he did join the BRS, and once again he is with the Youth Congress now, we are told, and there are certain news reports also that suggest that he in fact had contested, like Krishank Mane, this BRS spokesperson, had pointed out, he had contested and won as the Youth Congress leader from Kodangal, which happens to be the Chief Minister's constituency. So while we have been reporting, and the official stand has been that they are Osmania University Joint Action Committee, which would mean that they are a group of students there. What a group of students would have to do with an row between the film industry and the government, and the question about public safety and accountability, that is still unexplained. And now the political links of this particular person, the people who were seen attacking in the video, and subsequently them being linked to the Youth Congress itself, certainly puts the Congress in a bit of a spot. Of course, the Chief Minister has reacted yesterday itself, saying that we strongly condemn these kind of attacks, and yes, they were arrested, but of course this morning they were given bail as well. So While the family of Allu Arjun has said that they are not going to react emotionally or in an accusatory tone, they have also said, Mr. Arvind, the father of Allu Arjun, has said that this is the time to exercise caution and to exercise restraint, more importantly. That is what they are doing, and therefore not talking about the incident now, though of course they are concerned about the safety. The police, of course, providing the safety as well, and saying that they do not encourage this kind of lawlessness either. Back to you.